Hello everybody, in this video we are going to create shop menu, level select menu and character select menu. So for that purpose we can create new levels, new scenes. Before that we can also create a about menu inside this, but that we will finalize later on, no problem. So for creating a new menu, new scene, we can just go to create and create a new scene, and we can start creating our scene from beginning. But I want to make benefit of this menu, and that's why I will just go to file, save as, and we can go to scenes and we can select our scene and we can name our scene. So here I will name it shop menu, and here it is. We have a shop menu here, and for shop menu I will just change the background image color. Okay, so for this we will make it for example, for shop you can see we have green color, so we can make background green. Okay, like this, so it will be nice choice. So now we will just delete the logo. We don't need a logo here, and we can also delete other buttons as well, but for time I think I will just select select this about and shop, and for this play button I will just make it, I will just bring it here in the bottom, and for correct position I will arrange it to the correct position. And we need play button here, and we need a back to main menu button. So I think we can just rename this button as a back to main menu, and for this button we will just change the text to main menu. Okay, or only menu is fine, I think so. Okay, and definitely we will add this menu button at this point, and for play I think we should add it here. Okay, also we will just delete this setting panels. We don't need setting panel here, and now we need some more things at the top. So first thing we need scores, and the other thing we need coins, and also we need a button to play the game, which is here actually. Okay, so yeah, so for that purpose we will create buttons on the top. So not button actually, we can just add image. So in canvas I will just create an image, and we can rename this image, and before that I will select the menu, and I will anchor it to left bottom, and this play button we will anchor it to right bottom. Okay, so it's necessary. So here we will change the image name to for example score, like this, and we will place it here maybe. Okay, and for the background we will just add background for this image, and for background I think we can add the same UI icons, the buttons which we have used for this play. So let's yeah, flat, and then we can just add this blue color maybe, and we will make it set native size. We will make it smaller, and also we will make it horizontal like this. And on this button we will, actually this button didn't looks nice for this proper, for this specific feature. Okay, so I think we will choose some other thing. So I think we have some sprites at some other place. Furiro stones, yeah, actually these are the stones, box variations, etc. And we don't have a good sprite for this purpose, so let's move to Google and we can search some net is not here, so anyhow let's okay, let's use this one, no problem. So we will add a text on this score game object and we will name it score text. Definitely we will change the font for this text, and we have choose the which font we have choosed. I think we have choose the KG font, yeah. So let's add the KG font. Also we will make we will add score text here and like this, okay. And now we will just place this inside the score and we will make it 0 0 0, so it will be at this place, and we will make its font size to something like 36 and color to white, and also we will make it overflow. Hopefully you understand the whole logic, and I think that that this button should be a little bit dark, I think so. Anyhow, this is fine actually, sorry for the time waste. We will just make it a little bit more stretched, so I will select this score panel and then we will arrange it again, and when we are happy then we can move further. For the score result, we will just duplicate this same text and I will make it 0 0 like this, okay, 0 0 0, or okay, some number maybe 1000, okay. So this is the standard number, so here we will say score text, okay, and this one we can say score text title, okay. So it is important because we will use this with our scripts, so it should be renamed accurately, okay. So this is score and we can duplicate the score, and here we can say coins, and we can move this section here, and for score we will move it a little bit like this, and for coins we can move it here, and for coins we can change the yeah, actually let's add it here, and now for coins you can see we have score text title, we can change it to coins text title, and also for score text we can just change it to coins text, okay. And for coin text the 1000 is fine, but for the title we will change coins like this, okay. And we can also earn the coins, so for earning coins we can place a button here, okay, and if we click on that button we can collect more coins. So I will just make it a little bit smaller, score, and I will also move these both components a little bit, okay, like this. And now we will add a plus icon, okay. So I think in here we don't have plus icon, so here we will add plus icon png, and hopefully we will find some icon for adding. So let's add this one, I think this is nice. Yeah, that's good, it is png as well, so save image as, and we will name it plus icon, and then we can drag drop this icon inside Unity. And now we will, inside coins image, we will add one another image. So I will just add an image here, and I will name it coins earn icon, like this. And I will just place it under the coins, and for coins we can just add this one image, and then we will make it 0 0 0 0. We will also scale it a little bit, and then when we are happy we can place it at the right position. Okay, so I think we will make it smaller little bit, and we will paste it here. And one more problem, that this should not be image, it should be a button. Okay, because we want to click on this button and we want to do something. So here I will add button, we will make it native size, we will just rename it to earn coins, and then we will place it at right position. Okay, and then we will scale it like this. So now you can see that we have successfully added the main components of this panel, but we also need to add some more components. Okay, so also we need some panel here in the middle. So for that purpose we can create a new panel, and we should organize all of these components. So here we will create another icon, another panel, and we will name it shop panel, so just for organizing things. And actually we will change it to weapons panel. Okay, weapons purchase panel. Okay, like this, and we will make it smaller. We can definitely use some sprite for it, and we don't have any good sprites for panel, and we can use the similar sprites actually. So if we select it and if we drag drop some sprite here, it is transparent but it's not look good. So I will just add game panel png. So yeah, here you can see some panels, and I will get some simple panel actually. So simple panels always look great. So yeah, open game panel, etc. I will search and we will resume the video. Okay, so I get this image, and this is quite good for the panel. So I have just added this image over here for the panel itself, and then we can actually, these buttons are too big, and we want to make these buttons smaller. Yeah, small. Okay, like this. And also we can place these buttons on the top actually. So on the top these will be fine, I think so. Okay, yeah, that's nice. And now we can select this button, we can make it here, and for play button we can add it here at the right side, right top, and this will be left top, and other two will be in the middle. Okay, so yeah, sorry. Yeah, so now these looks great. So we will just add it here, panel, and also we will change the transparency to something like 150 maybe, or 200 maybe. 200 looks good, but you can see the color is not meshing. So yeah, we select the green color and it looks great now. And we will decrease the transparency as well. So now this is good, I think. So yeah, actually this is good. So let's make it bigger. Okay, so it's uh, this place. Yeah, this is good at this place. And now we will create some panels. So in weapons panels we need some buttons. Okay, so if we click here, we can create a button inside this panel, and this button will be blank button. Actually, we will delete this text, and for this button we can rename it, for example, boost, or we can say bullets, with type of bullets. For example, we can say star bullet. Okay, and star bullet button. Okay, we can just make it bigger in size, and then we can place it at the right position wherever we want. Also, we can add this panel if we want, and for panel color we can change the color as well. And for this, you can see the transparency, we will just leave it, and we will make it fully visible. And for the color, I think the bluish color will be nice. And but in this case, you can see the different type of behavior, so I will keep it like this. Okay, this is fine actually. And in this star bullet, we can panel a button. I will just rename it to button maybe. Okay, and for this button, in this button we will add one icon. Okay, so let's add a icon here. And we will add image. We will add this image here in star bullet, and we will make it 0 0, and then we can add it here, and here we will add icon, and we will add a icon for this image. So for example, if we have some bullets, yeah, we will change some bullets. Let's and we will also change the feature of the bullet. Okay, so for example, the what we can say that the damage of that bullet. Okay, so here you can see these are the bullets. So for this icon, let's add, for example, this bullet. Okay, so this is the star bullet. Okay, star bullet icon. I will just make it bigger maybe. And after that, we will add text for this bullet. So I will just add a text, and here we can rename it to star bullet text. Okay, and we will make we will add it inside this button, and we will definitely make position, and definitely we can change the color and other things as well. So we will change the font, we will change the other things, and then we will make it overflow. So here for this image, for this button, the first button, we can add, for example, star bullets. Okay, and we can make it bigger as well, 62 maybe. Yeah, this is a good choice. And then we will add the value for earning this star bullet. So here we will add another image inside the this button. So we will add it here, and we will say that background of coins or scores. Okay, and then we will just add it inside the button, and we will add it here. Also we'll make it bigger. Okay, and for example we want to we should earn 5,000 coins to get this star bullets. Okay, so for that purpose I will just add another text here, and we will name it, for example, 5,000 coins, like this. And we will just bring it inside this, and actually first I will just create this text outside of hierarchy. So then we will add it to background, and then we will name it 7,000 maybe, and then we will place it at the right position. Then we can definitely change the font to something like 36, and we will make it wrap to overflow, and that's nice. So here we will add 7,000. Also we will change the color, and for the panel itself we will change its color to black, and we will make it 150. Okay, yeah, so now for this panel, the 7,000, we want a icon for this coins here. So here for 7,000 we will also change the font. Okay, so but you can see the font is not good here for this purpose, and if we select this, yeah, this is quite good visible. Okay, so this is fine. So for numbers we can use this other font, Spicy Pumpkin. Now the last thing we will add is to add a coin here. So we will just add a coin image. So for that we have some coins images inside this section, which we will use in our game as well. So coin variation is here, so we can add some colorful coin. I think this one is good. The standard golden type coin will be nice. Yeah, that's good. So we can just place it here. We can just rename it to coin icon. We will add it to background of coins game object, and then we can place it here. Okay, so that's nice. Now we have a very nice button here. Okay, and this whole thing is a button. So we will duplicate it, Control D, and now we will move it here. Okay, and we will again duplicate it, and we will move it here maybe. Okay, definitely the size is quite big. We will just make it smaller to arrange the to organize the space in between and the panel aspect as well, and then we can rename it. And the second type of thing is, for example, speed bullet, speed. Okay, speed bullet button. And the third one will be for example, turbo bullet. Okay, and we are just name it randomly. Okay, so here we will use the coins, but for this icon we can change the icon. So let's move to sprites, UI icons, and here not actually we have where we have icons, I again forget. So Sorry for delay. I was just confused. I become just confused. Okay, sorry for that. That where is the icons itself? So for example, yeah, this one, we can just add this icon. For this turbo icon we will choose this one. Okay, and for the second one we will use the another gun bullet. Okay, so yeah, here it is. So if we select this one, we can add this one. Okay, so it's great. So now we will change the text as well. So star bullet, and the other will be the speed bullet. Speed bullet text and speed. Sorry. And then we have turbo bullet. And we have turbo bullet here. So that's very nice. We have successfully created a panel for our one type of menu, which will be weapon purchase menu. Okay, so now we can duplicate this menu simply. Okay, so we can duplicate it, and here I will just hide this menu for time, and for this menu I will just rename it, and we can name it special menu panel. Okay, like this, and I will leave the other things for special the similar, but okay, in special we will make some changes. So let's delete this one, and for this we will change it to double coins button, and the another one will be remove ads button. Okay, so if we select the icon, we don't want to use this icon, so we want to use the double coin icons. So here if we move to our stones, projects, gems, sprites, gems and coin, and then we can just select any coin. So let's add this one, not this one, this one maybe. Okay, and we will add set native size, and then actually set native size will not work because we are inside the another game object, so we will do resize it manually. Okay, so here we will say double coins and double coins like this, and this text, what we will do, we will just change this text to for example $1.5 like this. Okay, so we have to pay $1.5 to achieve this double coins. Okay, and definitely you can see that this text is not good. Actually it's good, that's fine actually. So dollars. Okay, and similarly we can change the other parameters for removing ads. So for ad removal we should have one image, so here we will add ads remove icon png, and definitely you will find some png. So here we can just a png, get a png image, and we will place it there. So yeah, this is good. Save, block ads, we will bring it here in Unity, and we will select it, and we will change the icon, and we will make it smaller, little bit like this. Okay, that's nice. Now we can just change the text to remove ads. Also for background of these coins, we can just rename it to $1, and we will change it to $2 maybe. And for coin icon, we don't need it at all. That's nice. We have created this menu as well, panel as well. Remove ads, this special panel. Okay, so now we can duplicate this coin again, and we will add earn coin on coin panel. Okay, and we will just hide the special panel, and inside earn coin panels we can add some more details. So here for example, here we can say watch video, and inside this we can add some icon of video. You can skip this video actually if it's boring, and you already know that how you can implement things, so I will not enforce you. This video is not very technical, so definitely you can skip this video. Okay, if you can create your own UI, if you want to follow along, then definitely you can watch this video. So double coins, we will just change it to watch video. Okay, so here we will say watch video, watch video. Okay, and for this we need some coins. So here we will just add, for example, 200 coins we need. Okay, and here we can create an icon for image, and I will just add this image inside earn inside remove watch video, and then inside the background of coins. Okay, then we can make it 0 0 0 0, and here we will add coin image. Okay, so now we will just place it at the right position. So now we have see that we can see that we have 200 to earn to watch a video. Okay, so I will just duplicate it again, watch video, and we will say that share us. Okay, and here we will say that share us. Okay, share us, and then we will just move it here. Okay, and for the icon itself we can add some Facebook type icon if we want. So let's add this one, and that's nice. We have created 3 panels now, and now what we can do, we can just hide this, and I will just enable the first panel, and here we will add 3 buttons. When we click on some button, our panel will be displayed here. Okay, so so for that purpose we can just duplicate this menu button. So I will just duplicate it, I will just bring it here, and I will just place this button actually inside the Yeah, actually we don't need it to be inside of any panel. So let's make it for example weapons button. Okay, and we will just select it and we will change it to weapons like this. We will just place it here, and the color definitely you can select your own, but I am happy with this color, so that's fine. We can just rename it as well, weapons. Then we can duplicate it, Control D, and the other menu will be special button, and here we will add special, and the third one will be earn coins. Okay, so that's nice. That's it for this video. I think the video becomes very lengthy, so I will just leave this video over here. And definitely for these things I think we should, I will just highlight this one as well, and I think we should place these things in middle. So let's select everything except score and coins, etc. So we will select these panels: special button, weapon button, special panel, weapon panel, and arm coin panel, weapon button, and special button, and arm coins button. Okay, that's it. So now we will move it in the middle. It looks nice. Save it. Now we will select special panel, arm coin panel, weapons panel, and weapons panel we will leave it, and other panels we will just make it hide, and definitely we will add some functions to open these panels on click. Okay, so that's it for this video. In next video we will create our new panel, which will be our level select and character select panel. Goodbye.